who needs the impetus of a championship round if he's going to turn this around. And this is where he needs that home support. Big kick.
Well, that's that head kick we talked about, and that time it just grazed a little bit. Kamal did a good job of timing that to get underneath it.
He missed with the follow-up and then came round with the fist as well.
Folayang needs to really pick up the pace here and let his hands go. He knows that he's down this far into the fight. Gotten a couple of takedowns on him. Had some ground and pound attempts. Not too much going on in the stand-up department. Nothing that was really attributing to any damage, at least.
And that is where Edwards' strength lies, you figure. That's where he's got to make it work. Moments ago, he was on the end of another one of those super stiff jabs from Kamal. Good left hook from Edouard. Aiming for that welt underneath his opponent's eye.
I've been impressed with Kamal's ability to stand in the pocket there and not be afraid to throw punches, which is really smart, because if he just comes into the fight and tries to shoot for that takedown, Edwards is going to be looking for it the whole time and be able to counter much easier. What Kamal has done is he's created a situation where Edward has to respect his hands, because Kamal's coming in, landed a stiff jab, he's landed some punches, and that really opens up the takedown.
It's a double whammy, isn't it? When Edwards spins, goes for it with the leg and the hand. There's a red mark on the left side of Edwards' body, which is testament to the kicks he's been receiving. Toes into the rib cage, that's what that does. Good kick there, the outside of Kamal's left leg, and there are welts on that knee, that leading knee of Kamal, the outside there of his left leg.
Edwards got 2 minutes and 45 seconds here to really make something happen.
Could well be too little too late, couldn't it? What can he do in this stand-up position with that big swelling underneath his opponent's eye and the support of 20,000 compatriots at the Mall of Asia Arena?
He's working on a guillotine choke here. That looks like it's pretty deep.
Oh, he gets out. And they crack heads as they come back in and engage. That was the moment that Edward was hoping for. What can he do now? 2 minutes and 10 left.
This is a difficult position for Edward to be in. I think that he did a smart thing and said, you know what, forget trying to win the fight by decision at this point. It's going to be too difficult to fight takedowns. And I think looking for the submission off of the takedown was smart for him to do, because that choke was in deep.
Edward just gripping the cage with his little finger, getting it slapped by referee Yuji Shimada. That's not allowed.
Yuji Shimada don't take no BS. You grab the cage, he'll let you know. Yuji, a veteran of 350 million MMA fights. Seen some of the best action MMA.
And he's unbeaten all of those as well.
That's very accurate.
Who's going to be unbeaten here? They are 2 meters above us at cage side, where Jason and I are sitting, and Edward Folayang is getting his body pressed up against that cage. And Kamal giving it all he can. I think he may have just given us a little wink there.
I think he's winking at you. But he's staying on Folayang and doing a really good job. Folayang's in on an armbar there for a second, but a minute left here, and Folayang really has to feel some urgency. Let his hands go. Stop with those crazy head-hunting head kicks and just throw hands.
Oh, it's a good leg kick. The left and the right fall fractionally short, and it's happened too often. Not quite enough of Edwards' punches have landed cleanly enough. And that could be the story of this contest for him. Final 20 seconds now.
Again, he just misses that head kick and Shamal ducks underneath it. Belarus with another nice single leg.
It'll be too late, I fancy. Well inside the last 10 seconds. And this could well be an introduction to the One Fighting Championship cage that Kamal Shalorus will remember for some time. up against a very highly regarded opponent.
Some good takedowns, and Kamal really just executed a nice game plan. Got in deep. Right here you see that Edward tried for the guillotine, and it was close. It was in a deep position, but that sweat being a factor, popped his head out.
That was his moment, Jason.
And a nice body kick by Falayon, but like we talked about earlier, those kicks just open up a lot of space, and Kamal was able to close the distance and utilize that to get the takedown, and that what I think would be the victory.
Well, Jason will leave my side, get into the cage to talk to the winner. Who will that be? I think we both fancy that it's going to be Kamal. Anthony Suntai will give us the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. And all 3 judges see it for your winner by a unanimous decision. From the blue corner, the Prince of Persia, Kamal Shah.